The volunteer in this video is a tuber man who is very much aware of the risks involved in these sessions. Do try this at home.
Every day you wake up in the morning, you must always ask yourself this important question. Why am I here? Who put me here? What is my purpose? As you ponder on that thought, I say welcome to the Raiders Raw Sessions, where we talk about some of the behind the scenes of Rombitek videos, and the reasons that led to the exhibition of some of the Rombitek projects. In this session we shall be going through some of the stages which were involved in developing the table tennis ball launcher. The footage featured in this session was recorded on the 14th of August 2016. Thus the prototype has been further refined and modified. As you may have already noticed, the materials used were cardboard boxes. The main point of this whole operation was to test how the ball launcher is going to work before a significant amount of labor was invested. So let's get down to serious business. From the current angle, I was trying to figure out how to fix the timing of the ball feeding mechanism. By timing I'm referring to the rate at which the machine throws the balls at any given time. It can be rapid fire, or it can be medium pace, or it can be at a much slower speed. All these variations were of great significance in developing the ball feeding mechanism. Afterwards I decided to check the rough speed of the ball as soon as it leaves the barrel. This was effected by placing a racket along the trajectory of the ball. This also allowed us to kill two birds with one stone, since the racket was fresh out of the box. Therefore I was testing the speed of the ball and assessing the speed offered by the racket. Ha ha ha, according to Rob, that's a genius move right there. Speed, control and accuracy of the racket can only be fully realized when the racket is being used in a table tennis match or practice session. These parameters are mainly affected by the material of the blade, the thickness of the sponge, and the type of rubber which was used for that particular racket. However, I shall further explain some of these parameters later in this video. The ball bounces off the racket at a significantly high speed. Even the height of the ball is epic. After realizing that the machine was working well, I decided to go for an impromptu training session, just to have a rough feel of an actual training session. Since we are on training sessions, make sure you check out the Rombitek Raiders table tennis sessions on our YouTube channel. This was just the first installment of the Raiders Raw sessions, so watch out for more of these sessions. Thank you for watching. Make sure you click on the subscribe button